Wow, this car is amazing. Listen to that engine.
It's good, but a Ferrari is better.
This is definitely the best car we've ever stolen. Ops, there goes your mirror, sorry, Mon.
You're really good at ripping off mirrors.
I learned this riding a motorcycle. What the hell is this?
What did this idiot want to do?
What the hell was that? Stop pushing me! Oh my ass!
This car is insane! Sorry, it was an accident. What the hell is this?
Are you crazy?
You are very bad at driving, you piece of shit! What the hell is this? Stairs at the end of the road.
Brother, this little truck goes really fast. We are already going to 100 kilometers per hour with this little cockroach. Shit! Oh my God. Piece of shit.
This road is dangerous. Go slowly.
Shit! Get this shit out of the way! Take it easy. This shit is going almost 300 kilometers per hour.
BMW M2 jumps uneven track and the worst happens. We almost died. I can't feel my leg.
Get out of the way, you damn van! It spins like a top. I think I'm going to vomit. You drive like a gazelle. Gazelle is your sister. There are police everywhere.
Please stop the car.
Sorry, police, I need to pee. Crazy police want to kill us.
Please stop the car.
They said this Civic is possessed and has more than 500 horsepower. I will definitely test this. Ha ha ha, this is so much fun.
The color of this car reminds me of the Smurfs.
Shit!